We scroll past them every day, looping GIFs that make us laugh, react, or remember something. In this video, we'll explore GIFs and show you how VidHex restores their colors, making them sharper, brighter, and more vibrant. GIF is actually an image file format. The full name is Graphics Interchange Format. It was created back in 1987 and features lossless compression. It can store multiple image frames played in sequence to show simple animations. Because of this, it's shining bright on social media and in internet culture. Technically, a GIF animation works by displaying a sequence of image frames one after another, each with its own display duration, creating the illusion of motion. You can use many online tools to upload pictures or video clips and quickly create a fun animation. Or you can screen record a short video clip and save it as a GIF. However, this process often runs into one problem. Color palette of a GIF is limited. To keep the file size small, GIFs only support up to 256 colors. This works well for grayscale images or flat icons, but once used on real video footage, it often leads to color loss, washed out images, and blurry details. Traditionally, we might use Photoshop to adjust colors frame by frame or extract video frames to edit individually and then reassemble into a GIF. But this is obviously inefficient and complicated for most people. Fortunately, we now have AI. AI tools can intelligently recognize image areas based on structure, light, and content features, and fill in colors accordingly. This not only saves tons of manual work, but also brings rich color layers to black and white or low-color GIFs. The tool we recommend, VidHex, is just such an AI solution. It supports quick analysis of videos or GIFs and enhances their colors. It works especially well on historical footage, classic movie clips, and game recordings. With one-click operation, it requires almost no experience in image editing. Now, let me walk you through the full process of restoring GIF colors with VidHex. It's really easy to use. Let's do it together. 1. Open VidHex and click on Click or Drag and Drop Files here at the top of the homepage to upload your files. Alternatively, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the and/W colorization to quickly access the animation editing interface. 2. Once your video is uploaded, you'll enter the editing screen. Select the appropriate colorized model, then choose your desired output resolution such as 4K from the lower right corner. 3. When everything is set, click Preview to see the colorization effect. If you're satisfied with the result, click Export Full Video in the bottom right corner to export your video. That's the complete workflow from installing VidHex to processing your GIF. Isn't it simple and efficient? Because color is the soul of the image. Whether you're fixing classic clips or giving your creative projects a fresh visual experience, VidHex is a tool you can trust. So, if you want your GIFs to look more lively and natural, click the link below to download VidHex and experience the magic of AI coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll keep sharing more practical tutorials and creative inspiration.